Hello student, today we will do question number 3 from exercise 6.2 NCERT Math Books class 10. So without a further ado, let's get started. See, question number 3 in figure 6.18, if LM in this figure, LM parallel CB and LN parallel CD. Prove that. We have to prove. Question number 3. To prove AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. So see in this figure, in triangle, if we take in triangle ABC, ML is given parallel, this is given, ML is parallel BC. Therefore, AM by MB is equal to AL by LC by, this is 1 by BPT, basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. This similarly in triangle ACD, LN parallel CD. So LN parallel CD. So therefore AN by ND is equal to AL by LC. This is 2 by PPT. So therefore, from 1 and 2, because this is equal to AL and this is also equal to L by LC. So they themselves will be equal. So this will be AM by MB is equal to AN by ND. Now we'll reverse this report. If you will reverse, so MB by AM, both sides, will reverse both sides, is equal to ND divided by AN. Now we'll add 1 to both sides. MB by AM plus 1 divided equal to ND divided by AN plus 1. If we take LCM, then MB plus AM divided by AM is equal to, similarly this also, ND plus AN divided by AN. Now MB plus AM. MB plus AM would be AB. This will be AB by AM is equal to MD by AN is equal to MD by AN. MD by AN is equal to AT then. So this will be AD by AN. Now reverse again with both sides. So we will get AM by AB equal to AN by AD. Right. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here, we will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care.